In this video, I wanted to tell you all about the world's first top fuel dragster, which you're able to have a passenger ride in. In those clips you just saw, Larry Dixon, 3-time NHRA Top Fuel World Champion, takes a paying passenger on the ride of his life. With the car hitting around 240 miles per hour in the 8th mile, this is what the insurance companies permits the car to do with a passenger in. Drop a like on this video and comment below if you think you'd be brave enough to strap yourself into the Nitro x2 car. The car produces between 4 and 5 Gs on acceleration, hitting 0 to 100 miles per hour in just under a second. And as you can see from this passenger's run, 4G of force when braking as the parachute is deployed at 240 miles per hour. You can check out the details of when this car is next running a drag strip near you at the link I'll leave down in the description. And if you'd like to enter for free to win a wet NOS kit when the channel reaches 100,000 subscribers, simply drop a like on the Crazy Speed Facebook page to find out further info when we reach the milestone. Thanks for watching and have a great rest of your day.